Hello and welcome to Sanchay CRM. I'm Sakshi Lokande, and in this video, let's quickly talk about the check-in checkout feature in the Sanchay CRM mobile app. So, what is the use of this feature? Now, this feature is recommended especially when you're stepping out for meetings like visiting a client's office for a discussion or portfolio review, attending an in-person event or meeting, even when you're attending an online Zoom or Google Meet from home or a cafe. We highly recommend using this feature to log your meeting activity no matter the location. And why is this useful? Because it shows that you're actively working, especially during important client interactions, etc. Your team lead or manager can clearly track when and where you were engaged. It also brings transparency and structure to your workday, especially for field teams and sales roles. You also build a personal work log, which can be useful for future reference. Now, let's see how to use this feature. But before that, let's see how you can schedule a meeting in advance. So here's how. Tap on Quick Create, then choose the Portfolio Review / Meeting options. Start filling in the details. Select the date and time of the planned meeting. Hit Save once done. Now the CRM will send you a reminder notification on your dashboard and mobile at the right time. This is great for staying organized and ensuring that you never miss a check-in for a planned meeting. Now, how to use the check-in checkout feature. Let's say you're heading out to visit a client. Here's exactly how you can log that meeting using the Sanchay CRM mobile app. Now, we need to open the details record of the client you're visiting. For that, you can either go from global search or directly open a record. Now, from the results, select the relevant client. Now, this will open their client details page. On the top right hand side, tap the check-in button. The app will prompt for location access. Give the access. Now, this will display your current location as part of the check-in log. Tap the check-in button. And that's it. You're now officially checked in for this meeting. Once checked in, you'll see a persistent notification in your phone's notification bar showing the ongoing meeting time. This acts as a live timer and a reminder to check out when the meeting ends. Now, how to check out. So once the meeting is done, go back to the client's profile. I'm already on the client's profile. Tap the checkout. Now here you will see the meeting summary including the meeting name, check-in and checkout time. If you have any attachments, you can add them here. It can be anything like you have a camera option. Take a quick photo, example a selfie with a client or any whiteboard note. Then file, you can upload documents or images. For this, you need to grant media access if prompted. Then sign, you can draw and save a digital signature. Record, you can capture a short video, maybe from a client walkthrough or presentation. Here in the comments / history section, you can also add relevant context or notes. Example, discussed portfolio review and planned SIP adjustments. Now, once you have added all the necessary details, just hit save. Now, this meeting is now officially registered and can be found in the client's related panel under the meeting section. Here you can revisit the details, attachments and notes anytime. And that's how simple and effective it is to log a client visit using the check-in checkout feature in Sanchay CRM. Thank you for watching.